Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel Dami Dimension, and my name is Dami. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a pattern that I got from a company called the Golden Rule USA. So what this Golden Rule USA does is they have this pattern that has already been pre-made for you, and the one they sent me actually contains 280 different patterns that you can choose from. It contains 280 different styles of patterns. That is amazing. This actually makes things easier for you. You don't have to worry yourself about pattern drafting anymore. All you have to do is to just go to the book and choose the specific style that you want and just rescale it to your size. So that's what this company does, and I'm just sharing with you what is in the package that I got. So in case you get your package as well, what you can possibly get. So if you're excited about this, then let's open this box together. All right, so this is the very first thing I saw once I opened the box, and right here I just realized they actually sent me some chocolates, which I'm thankful for, and I wish I could share with you guys, but unfortunately it's not possible. So just watch with me basically. Anyway, so moving on to the content, right here is where the pattern itself is. We are going to be getting to that in a bit. You may be wondering that how can this little thing contain 280 different patterns, but don't worry, that's why I'm here for you. I'm going to be showing you that later, and I'm also going to eventually show you how to use the pattern and customize it to your size. All right, so the next item here is this couple of books that I believe contain some samples on what the patterns look like. So this is just to give you a sneak peek of what the pattern looks like basically, and I have two of those books, and the next one here is the guide, which is kind of like a manual. This is going to guide you, showing you what to do, and basically putting you through on what to do, how to use the pattern to construct your garments and stuff like that. And next I got a coupon, you guys. I have a 10% coupon for my future purchases. I have a $10 coupon for my future purchases, you guys. I hope you get that too if you get in this pattern. And the next item right here is this tool that is meant for you to use to position your buttons evenly, like if you're drafting pattern for a shirt or shirt dress or maybe blazer, something like that you need to put buttons into. So this tool right here is going to help you to space it evenly. So you can see my package came with this tool, which is amazing. I'm going to be showing you how to use all of this later, you guys. So again, this is the next item. It's not the last, but it's the next right now. You can see the package is empty, but don't worry, I will show you the other things that we have in there. So this one right here are obviously tools, rulers, curved rulers and stuff that can help you in your pattern drafting. Isn't it just amazing that this is so complete? And this is really sturdy, you guys. It's so firm, a lot stronger than the one I'm currently using. So I'm so happy about this. This is a pant curve. It can help you shape your skirt, your pant and stuff like that. This is just so amazing. You have curve that you can use to draft your armhole, to draft the neckline, and everything's just there. All right, so I'm setting this aside and I'm going to be showing you the rest of the package. So back to this one that contains the pattern itself. You guys know by now that I love good packaging, and when you talk about good packaging, this company has it. Everything is just nicely and professionally packaged, neatly packaged, and I'm so in love with it. And when I opened this one up, I saw even more tools. Right here is a tape measure, and this one is not just a regular tape measure. This is a special kind of tape measure that is going to help you in rescaling all these tiny little patterns into your size. I'm going to be showing you how to use this tape measure for the pattern later on the channel. There are more stuff that can come really handy. There is this marker that can help you mark while transferring your pattern. There is this tape right here, and there are these 2 pins as well right here. These are things that are very essential for transferring your patterns. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to use every single thing on this channel, so don't worry yourself at all. The last thing I want to show you right here is this CD that I believe contains instruction on how to still use this pattern, and I already showed you earlier an instruction guide in form of a book. So basically you guys can't get stuck if you get this pattern. And so for the pattern itself, I've already flipped through the book, so you guys have seen it already, just because I wasn't patient enough to not open it yet. So basically this is what the patterns look like. One thing I really love about this pattern is that it contains really beautiful styles that are not boring at all. Everyone can find something that they like in this pattern. It ranges from jacket to skirts to blouses to blazers to even wedding dresses, male outfits, children outfits. So many things, so many things and different styles that you can choose from. So I'm really thankful for that it's not boring, because when I heard that it's going to have 280 patterns, I was raising eyebrows already, like, is it not going to be so boring and repetitive? But you guys can see already that this is not any way near boring. So let's say, for example, that you like this particular style, which is number 161, and this one is 162. So all you have to do is to look for the pattern number 161 or 162, whichever one you choose. Let me zoom it closer so you guys can see. All right, so what you have to do is to just choose the pattern 161, which is for this one, and then you just have to rescale this into your size, and that's it. The sleeve, the body, everything has been done. If it's a blazer, the collar, everything has been drafted. I believe someone is so excited about this because this is just a solution to long-term problem of people asking, what dart intake should I use for this? What crotch depth should I use? What width should I use for this and that? You don't have to worry about all of those anymore. The patterns has already been pre-made, and you don't have to be a professional to be able to make yourself a blazer, a jacket, or even a wedding dress. Like I heard, or let me say like I saw in one of the advertisements of this pattern, kids can actually transfer this pattern into an actual garment by themselves. That's how easy they said this is. I haven't tried it, but I foresee that it should be easy as well. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, just let me know down in the comment section what you guys want to see first, and I'm going to be making a tutorial on how you can use this pattern, so when you get yourself one of it, you don't have any problem making yourself a garment at all. The tutorial is going to be coming up pretty soon. Anticipate and be ready to get yourself one of these patterns as well. Yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you will leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel in case you haven't done so already. I'm posting more videos for you guys right here, so make sure you click and watch that next video. Let me see you in that next video, you guys. Bye.